If you're new here, this video is not going to make any sense, but you are welcome to stay. A couple months ago, I posted a video called Long-Term Subscribers Only, and it was a behind-the-scenes look at what's gone on since my years of driving around the country in a cargo van and in RVs telling the story of small town America. I will speed up that video. The backstory is that since that time and all those stories that eventually became a book, I was in various conversations with different production companies about turning those tales from the road into some kind of video series or streaming or yada, yada, yada. And it just wasn't gelling. And so I finally got in touch with somebody rather high up on the hierarchy of streaming services. And she watched some of our videos and she said, Casey, you gotta go shoot this one yourself. Like, rather than wait for the production media world to come to you and hope that it happens, you know how to tell these best, you know how to find these little towns best, shoot it, produce a pilot, and then pitch it to the media giants. And so over the past couple months, with great support from everybody on Patreon, who has not only financed and backed this project, which wouldn't be possible otherwise, but has also spent those months with me planning out all the details of where we're going to go and how we're going to get there and what the storyboard is going to be and who we're going to interview, all these details, everything that goes into producing a video series, a TV series, a streaming series. We've been doing all that work on Patreon, and now I am finally here at our first shoot. I am in Tallapoosa, Georgia. If you've never heard of it, it is a 2-stoplight town. You could drive right into it and right out of it, and the glorious tale behind it, tale is no pun intended, but their big New Year's Eve celebration is that they drop a road-killed possum from the top of one of the buildings that I'm told is a former bank and also may or may not be haunted. And like the whole town comes out. Now that is the most abridged version of this story. It gets so much better. I have a full body possum costume that I will absolutely be wearing on New Year's. And this party is just getting started. As we produce these, they will go up on YouTube and social media for a little bit of time where I will get a lot of feedback about like what parts are interesting, what parts aren't. They will get re-edited and they will get pitched out as a pilot series to the streaming services. So this Tallapoosa, Georgia, Western Georgia, small town, rural Georgia is our season 1. And everything that happens next, God willing, we will keep this thing going until we finally get somebody who sees the value, who understands how important, like this is the real America out here. And I will die trying to get all these stories to a much bigger audience because these people are the influencers that we need. So the series title is called Only in America. And I'm going to show you the trailer for the pilot right now, right after this. And then I will also release it separately as its own video, probably tomorrow, so that it can exist as its own thing and kind of send that out as I'm pitching this. So I am about to get into a patrol car to drive out to the Georgia Visitor Center to pick up this icon of America and bring him back to town. He will then go on a PR tour. He is a local influencer. He is very dead. He is taxidermied. I'm giving too much away. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Only in America. Where the hell am I? Directions to hell? Loud, proud, and wonderfully weird. I have brought nothing with me but an abundance of enthusiasm. This is small town America.
I'm gonna save that old mill, restore it, and carry on.
These forgotten dots on the map are the places and the people that never quit.
They were trying to stop me.
Never lost their accent and believe in equal opportunity ball busting.
Now get the hell out. I feel like I'm a Disney princess. I just get to swear a little bit more.
The last holdout of the American spirit, where local celebrities wear work boots and the only influencer is trying to sell you his cow's chocolate milk. Get in the passenger seat for the stories that smell like gasoline, barbecue, and manure.
3, 2, 1.
My name, I'm Casey Roman.
I'm Casey Roman.
Casey Roman.
Casey Roman. Casey Roman.
Casey. Period. Former reporter.
The eye of the storm.
Full-time smartass. We are scanning. Where are these? All corners. It's the enemy. Strangers. I beg your verb? What galactic journey of tenses did you just go on? Part storyteller, many a Franklin County baby was born in this house. Part troublemaker. I used to make the news.
Reporting live in the studio.
Today, I make a scene. Traveling the country to find the comeback stories in America's ruins and revivals. From the murder capitals of the U.S. to our farm families with donkey beauty pageants, free admission. A docu-comedy series to find America. Through stories that can outdrink any headline. Small towns, big stories, no bullshit. Only in America.